Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence by exploring its 7 stages of development. From its inception to its potential future, we'll cover it all. So let's get started. Stage 1, Rule-Based Systems. Our journey begins with rule-based systems, the simplest form of AI. These systems operate on predefined rules and logic. Think of them like a decision tree, where each decision leads to a specific outcome. Early chatbots and expert systems use this approach. While effective for simple tasks, these systems are limited because they can't learn or adapt. They're only as smart as the rules we give them. Stage 2, Machine Learning. Next up is machine learning. Unlike rule-based systems, machine learning algorithms can learn from data. They use statistical techniques to improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for each task. A common example is email spam filters. They analyze incoming emails and learn to identify spam based on patterns and features in the data. Stage 3, Deep Learning. Stage 3 brings us to deep learning. This subset of machine learning involves neural networks with many layers, mimicking the human brain structure. Deep learning has revolutionized AI with breakthroughs in areas like speech recognition, image classification, and natural language processing. Deep learning models require massive amounts of data and computational power, but they can achieve remarkable accuracy and versatility. Stage 4, Natural Language Processing, NLP. At stage 4, we have Natural Language Processing, or NLP. This field focuses on the interaction between computers and human language. NLP enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Thanks to NLP, we have virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, which can understand and respond to our voice commands. Stage 5 is Computer Vision, which enables machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. It's used in facial recognition, medical image analysis, and even in autonomous vehicles. By processing and analyzing images and videos, computer vision systems can perform tasks that once required human visual perception. Stage 6, Reinforcement Learning. Now, let's talk about reinforcement learning. This stage involves training AI models through trial and error, rewarding them for correct actions and penalizing them for mistakes. It's akin to teaching a dog new tricks. Reinforcement learning is behind many of the advancements in robotics and game-playing AI, like the famous AlphaGo. Stage 7, General AI. Finally, we reach General AI, also known as Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. This is the ultimate goal of AI research, creating machines that possess human-like cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks. While we're not there yet, it's the focus of much speculation and research. AGI would have the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in ways that are indistinguishable from human intelligence. And there you have it, the 7 stages of AI development. From simple rule-based systems to the dream of AGI, AI has come a long way and continues to evolve. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.